Welcome, fam. If your lower back's been aching, your core feels asleep, or your energy's slow to show up, this is the reset your body's been asking for. In just 5 minutes, we're not just stretching, we're reactivating strength from the inside out. Let's hit the mat. Lie flat on your back, arms extended to the ceiling, knees bent to 90 degrees. Slowly extend your right arm and left leg straight, hovering just above the floor. Then return. Alternate sides. Why does this matter? Because this move targets the deep stabilizers of your core, the ones that protect your spine every time you twist, bend, or lift. I promise this move alone can drastically reduce lower back pain and improve posture. Beginners keep knees bent and lower arms only. Advanced stretchers hover arms and legs just above the floor with full control. Here's a fun fact. Activating the transverse abdominis, your deepest core muscle, improves both balance and breathing. Can you make the next 5 reps even slower? Just try it. Not feeling your core engage yet? Press your lower back firmly into the mat. That just fired up your foundation. Now let's stabilize it. On all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Keep your hips square and barely pulled in. This move trains your brain and body to stabilize under movement, and it's going to unlock a big surprise when we get to stretch 5. I promise this simple move strengthens the muscles that protect you from injury. Tap the floor between reps. Advanced stretches add pulses or hold extension longer. Did you know bird dog improves coordination between your spine and limbs, which is key for posture? Hold for 5 more seconds. Reach a little further. Shaky? That's your body getting stronger in real time. Switch sides, left arm forward, right leg back. Feel the stretch through your spine, the balance in your core. This is more than a stretch. It's a recalibration. And it's preparing your body for what's coming next. 5 more seconds, lock in. Still wobbling? That's not a problem. It's progress. That just reconnected your core. Now let's drive some power through your glutes. Lie on your back, feet flat, hip width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the sky, squeezing your glutes at the top. Most lower back pain starts with weak glutes. This move flips that switch. I promise this stretch will relieve tension, boost circulation, and power up your posture. Beginners keep it slow and controlled. Advanced stretches add a pause or band resistance at the top. Here's a surprising fact. When your glutes aren't working, your spine picks up the slack. So you know what to do. 1 more rep. Hold for 5 seconds. Squeeze tight. Not feeling it in the glutes yet? Try lifting your toes. That just unlocked your back. Now let's challenge those abs. Lie back down, leg straight. Slowly lift your right leg to 90 degrees, keeping the left relaxed. Lower it with control. Switch legs each rep. This isolates your lower core, which is often ignored, and it's the key to stronger hips, improved balance, and posture that holds. I promise this move will reconnect your abs to your spine like never before. Beginners keep the opposite foot flat. Advanced stretches hover the non-moving leg an inch off the floor. Do you know that most people cheat this move by using momentum? If you slow it down, it reveals imbalances. Give me 5 seconds longer. Slower, smoother. Do you feel your hip flexors doing all the work? Tuck the pelvis slightly and re-engage the abs. That just builds stability. Now let's open and stretch it all out. Sit on the floor. Hug your right knee into your chest, keeping the spine long. Breathe into your lower back. This is where we let the spine soften and release all the work you just did. I promise this is where your body absorbs everything we activated so far. Beginners, sit on a cushion. Advanced stretchers, add a gentle twist. Hold 5 seconds longer. Breathe into the stretch. Feel the stretch in your glute? That's your body saying thank you. Switch sides. Keep the spine tall and shoulders relaxed. This final moment of stillness is your reward and your reminder that strength without recovery isn't complete. Last 5 seconds. Hold it with intention. Notice the difference from side to side. That's your body's cue to come back to this. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth and not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.